Okay, so now to finish, I'm going to show you how to do wedges. Again, cut it like that. You want to wash them. You don't have to peel them at all, because with the skin on, they actually become nicer, I believe, because then it becomes crispy. You want to cut them quite thick, but if you need to cook them quicker, if you're in a rush, cut them a bit thinner. But I think thicker, because then it's nicer, you can get more chip actually. So once you've cut it, you want a generous amount of oil. Again, I'm using sunflower oil. You want to season it now with salt and pepper. So now, I've got a mix of herbs. You can use Cajun spice, which is fairly cheap. It's only in about 20p. Smoked paprika, cayenne pepper. These are all you can find in the supermarket, or you can buy a mix of like a peri-peri mix. Like even if it says seasoning for chicken, you can use it for this. It's absolutely fine. So when you're looking for that, you want to cover it. This will add a nice amount of heat to it. So just cover them all, and then flip them over, and then with your hands get them all nice and in. And then straight on to your tray and into the oven for about half an hour to 40 minutes on about. So these are my wedges, you can see. They're nice and soft, and they just fall apart. Just put them on to your plate. And again, you can have this with anything you like. Just a side dish or a little snack. But what I like to do is with a bit of smoked paprika and some mayonnaise. Just about 2 teaspoons of mayonnaise I like to use. But if you don't have any smoked paprika, use any of the spices that I've said prior to this, and it will just become a nice smoky mayonnaise. Just have that just to dip into. You don't need a lot, but enough.